In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a logo in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the logo maker and how to use its guided prompts to create a clean, professional logo in minutes. Start by opening Adobe Express in your web browser and signing in if prompted. You'll land on the home page where the main tools are grouped for quick access. Look for the section labeled Quick Edit. Depending on your screen size, it may appear near the top or slightly down the page, so give the page a quick scroll if you don't see it right away. This area is designed for fast, task-focused workflows and is the quickest route to the logo maker. Within Quick Edit, you'll see a handful of popular tools. Select the option to view all so you can expand the full list. This gives you a broader set of shortcuts and makes it easier to find exactly what you need. Use the search bar in this panel and type Logo Maker. The search will filter the tools in real time, and you should see the Logo Maker appear as a result. Click on Logo Maker to launch it. You'll be greeted by a simple, guided interface. Start by entering a sample business name. Keep it clear and concise, since this text often becomes the focal point of your logo. If you're experimenting, try a placeholder name that mirrors your real brand in length and tone so you can judge proportions more accurately. Next, enter a sample slogan. This is optional, but it's helpful to test spacing and hierarchy. Short phrases usually work best for legibility. If your actual slogan is long, consider a condensed test line to see how the layout behaves, then adjust later. When you're ready, click Next and follow the on-screen procedure. Adobe Express will walk you through style preferences, suggest fonts, and offer icon and layout variations. Take a moment with each screen. Choose a style that reflects your brand personality, test a few font pairings for clarity at small sizes, and preview icons that relate to your industry without being too literal. Pay attention to color contrast for accessibility, and check how the logo looks on both light and dark backgrounds. As you browse options, think about scalability. Your logo should remain readable as a tiny social avatar and still look strong on larger applications. If something feels off, use the back controls to refine your choices before proceeding. That's the complete flow for designing a logo in Adobe Express using the built-in Logo Maker. Follow the prompts, refine thoughtfully, and you'll have a versatile logo ready to represent your brand.